Super nice, like duck and chicken farm on the outskirts of Suzhou at Taihu. Never seen these black chickens before. Yeah. Not too much, but
要2斤好了，要2斤就好了。我路过，买2斤就好啊。
they got ducks as well. They got ducks as well. Not sure. But super. There's a big lake right behind the mountain there. Ducks in the pond over there. So you can buy chickens, duck eggs. Oh, you have escaped. See, 2 pounds of eggs for 38 RMB straight from the farm. Which is, okay, more expensive than supermarket. Kind of. No, because there's like a lot of eggs in here. And yeah. Wow.